Hello friends, this is Tanya for Trinity Stamps, and today I am working with the Summer Blooms stamps and dies. This is an 8-piece stamp set with a coordinating die set that also cuts out every one of those 8 images. Here I have stamped out all of the images on some cardstock for you so you can see the stamps at work. There are several open work stamps and a few that are solid. I've also stamped and heat embossed and watercolored some images and then die cut them with the dies. Here are a few projects that I created with these products. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment to do that now. If you're interested in the Summer Blooms stamps or dies, they are listed and linked in the description box below. Here are a couple more videos we thought you might enjoy. Until next time, bye-bye.